Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if you run out of yarn while doing tubular bind off. I think it could be a good technique also in case you would want to do a bottom of the sweater and you would not want to have such a long thread that you need to pull through. Well, this accidental thing that happened to me, I always forget that even though it says that you need to have a little triple length of circumference of the thing that you want to use the tubular bind off. Always take for consideration that if you are using it with a thicker yarn, you have to have more yarn. First things first, if you're interested how to do tubular bind off, I would say check this video link down below. If you don't have this problem, if you have this problem, keep on watching, and at the end I will tell you what I've been knitting over here in case you're curious. Okay, let's start. So as you can see, I'm almost done, and I know and by working on this, I know that this is not enough for the rest. So I'm going to do, as you can see, I finished the third phase because the yarn comes through the second stitch on my left needle, and I'm going to drop it, okay? I prepare myself probably a too long now strand of yarn that I'm going to put on the tapestry needle. And basically what I'm going to do now, I'm going to continue from the phase 1 of tubular bind off the rest. But over here I will have some ends to weave in, and we shall see how we do that next. So first phase, put the tapestry needle through the first stitch as if to knit, and then through the second stitch as if to purl, and pull it through. Okay, we're going to leave the longer tail over here. Now we're going as if to purl in the second and pull it through here. And the last phase is to go through the second one. Okay, and we'll repeat, knit off, purl, stay, purl off, then between through, and then the last one just completely through. Okay, I'm going to finish the tubular with how to do the last two and how to join on the screen, another tutorial how I do it, and then we will sort out this middle bit. Okay, as you can see, I finished in the round, where is it? Not this, here. Yeah, check the video. And now I'm going back to the section where I edit that strand, extra strand. Okay, so let's see what we have over here. And this strand that comes in the front is the one that we edit, because remember, when you finish phase 3 of the tubular bind off, the yarn comes from the behind, okay? And theoretically, those two things should be joined together to have a smooth transition. Okay, are you following? Hopefully you do. So what I'm going to do, it will be easier for me now first to take the front one and put it on the needle. Okay, so as you can see, I put the tapestry needle on the first strand that was coming out from the front. We're going to move the work to the wrong side, and now we see the strand that is coming out from the loop. And basically, these two strands should be joined together, but obviously we did not have that pleasure to do. So what we're going to do, we're going to now follow this strand life backwards. So basically what I mean by this, we're going to take tapestry needle, and where this yarn is coming out, I'm going to put the tapestry needle and pull it through. Okay, not too tight. And then I can go back to the second over here and then just wave it in. So I like to do it that, just to be sure, we can go to do it this way and come back, just we have a full loop, and just wave in. And cut. And if you can see in that stage, the tubular looks pretty good. So what we need to do only with the back one, to put it on the tapestry needle, and basically I will just wave an end. So I'm going to go back outside of this V-stitch through the right leg, and if you know me, this is how I waving end. If I have any type of ribbing on the wrong side, I'm going through the knit column like this. That's that. Now this is how it looks, and it works pretty well. I hope you're going to try it and let me know, do you like it? Does it really work the way I see that it's working? And I think it's a pretty cool option in case you do the bottom of the sweater and you don't want all that long strand to be pulled for ages. Let me know, have you tried it? And I think I definitely do when I'll be knitting next sweater. In regards to the pattern that I'm knitting, I published a new pattern on the screen now, the socks. Well, the pattern originally is knitted with fingering weight yarn, but I wanted to play with the yarn that my friend has dyed, and I'm just playing with the sport weight over here. And I went a little bit crazy and I hold the 2 strands of fingering over here as contrast color. And as you can see, then it gives a little bit of bulkier effect for the ribbing. Anyway, I hope you subscribe, like, because definitely in the future I'm going to have a finished object video when I finish these socks and I can show you more. Other than that, go check my channel and check those other tutorials, finished objects and things that I have knitted. Maybe I will inspire you to knit something more. So now don't afraid to do tubular, because I think we covered all mistakes that can happen and we all will make those mistakes. It's the good way to know how to fix them. Enjoy. Bye. Check links down below, maybe you'll find a tutorial that you would like to try. Bye.